There's a price on the window of this Ford pickup that most buyers haven't seen in years: $28,000, and it's electric, it's capable, and it's going to change how America thinks about affordable trucks. The pickup segment is about to get a serious shakeup, and the all-new 2028 Ford Fathom is at the center of it all. Modern-day Model T. Back in 1908, Henry Ford did something nobody thought was possible. He built a car that average working Americans could actually afford. The Model T didn't just sell well, it motorized an entire nation. Ford's leadership is now drawing a direct line between that moment and what's coming next, calling the arrival of the Fathom a Model T moment for the brand. The ambition is the same: put a capable, practical vehicle within reach of people who've been priced out. This time around, it's not gasoline. It's electric, and the goal is to do for EV adoption what the Model T did for car ownership over a century ago. Most buyers who've looked at electric trucks have walked away shaking their heads at the price: $50,000, $60,000, sometimes more, for a segment that used to be about working people getting things done affordably. That's the gap the Fathom is designed to close, and Ford is framing it as nothing less than a reset for what an electric truck is allowed to cost. One thing worth addressing right away: the nameplate. Various sources floated classic monikers ahead of the reveal. Ranchero was mentioned, so was Maverick-adjacent branding. But Ford went in a different direction entirely, choosing the Fathom name, fresh, forward-looking, and carrying none of the legacy baggage. It signals that this truck isn't trying to revive the past, it's building something new. But a bold name only goes so far. What actually makes the Fathom worth talking about is what's sitting underneath it, and that's where things get really interesting. All-electric pickup. Ford has been down the electric pickup road before. The F-150 Lightning launched with massive fanfare and real capability, but the price tag pushed it well out of reach for most buyers. The Fathom is a different calculation altogether. Built on Ford's brand new universal EV platform, the architecture is engineered around two things: simplicity and cost efficiency. The electrical system runs on a 400-volt setup, which keeps the hardware straightforward and the production costs low. That's not a compromise. It's a deliberate design philosophy. Performance numbers are still being finalized, but Ford has already put one figure on the table: a 0 to 60 target of 4.5 seconds. For a pickup in this price bracket, that's a genuinely strong number. Here's something a lot of buyers don't think about until it's too late. Range anxiety, the quiet concern about whether the truck is going to make it through the day, has been one of the biggest reasons people hesitate on electric vehicles. The Fathom's platform is built with everyday usability as a priority, targeting a range figure that handles real-world commuting, job site runs, and weekend errands without requiring drivers to plan their entire schedule around a charging stop. Full range specs land closer to launch, but the engineering direction is clear. This is the electric pickup the F-150 Lightning was supposed to be for everyday buyers. The Lightning proved the concept. The Fathom is going to prove the market. And if the powertrain alone has you paying attention, wait until you hear what Ford has packed into the cabin, because the technology story inside this truck is just as surprising as the price tag outside it. Modern tech interior. Affordable doesn't mean stripped down, and Ford is making that case clearly with the Fathom's interior tech package. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, keeping smartphone integration clean and cable-free. What's worth paying closer attention to is the infotainment direction. Ford has chosen Apple Maps as the navigation backbone for the Fathom system, a deliberate choice that separates it from the Google Maps-dependent setups found in most of the competition. It reflects a tighter integration between the vehicle's software and the Apple ecosystem, which a large portion of buyers are already living in daily. Think about how much time gets wasted toggling between a phone and a vehicle's built-in system that doesn't quite keep up. The Fathom's software architecture is designed to eliminate that friction, keeping the driver's digital life and the truck's interface working as one rather than fighting each other. The tech story doesn't stop at navigation. Ford is building autonomous driving capability into the Fathom's feature set from the ground up. The level of self-driving functionality available at launch is still being confirmed, but for a truck starting under $30,000, that's a significant statement. It puts capability in this truck that buyers currently have to spend considerably more to access. An audio system and power windows are also part of the standard package. Features the Fathom's closest rival, the Slate truck, skips entirely. The blue oval is betting that buyers want more than bare bones, and the interior spec reflects that bet. The tech is impressive, but technology means very little if the people inside the truck aren't comfortable, and that's where Ford has saved one of its biggest surprises for last. Space and practicality in mind. On paper, the Fathom carries a compact truck classification. In practice, the passenger space inside is going to tell a different story. Anyone who's ever squeezed into the back seat of a compact pickup knows the feeling. Knees against the front seat, headroom that disappears the moment you sit up straight, and a general sense that the rear row was added as an afterthought. Ford is going after that problem directly with the Fathom. The Blue Oval has made a specific public-facing claim. The Fathom is going to offer more stretch-out room than a Toyota RAV4. That's not a small thing. The RAV4 is one of the best-selling vehicles in the country, largely because families find it genuinely comfortable over long distances. For a compact pickup to exceed that benchmark is a real achievement, and it points directly to how the universal EV platform's layout advantages were put to work. Without a traditional combustion drivetrain eating into the cabin footprint, engineers had considerably more flexibility to push usable space toward the people sitting inside. The Fathom's overall footprint stays comparable to the gasoline-powered Maverick, but the interior packaging is going to feel considerably more generous. Cargo bed dimensions haven't been confirmed yet, though the platform's proportions point toward a setup that handles everyday hauling without issue. Practicality was clearly part of the brief from day one, and the passenger space commitment backs that up. All of that capability and comfort would mean very little if the number on the window stopped most buyers cold. So let's talk about what Ford is actually asking for this truck, because that figure is the part that changes everything. Release date and price. This is where everything comes together. The 2028 Ford Fathom is expected to arrive with a starting price of just over $28,000. At that number, it becomes the most affordable new electric truck available to American buyers and one of the most affordable new vehicles of any kind. For buyers who've watched truck prices climb year after year, that number hits differently. The Maverick, Ford's own compact gasoline pickup, has been drifting past $30,000 in base trim. The Fathom is going to come in under that with an electric powertrain, modern tech, and interior room that rivals a mainstream family SUV. The Fathom's closest EV competition at launch is the Slate truck, which enters at a lower price but arrives with a noticeably thinner features list. Ford's calculation is that buyers will pay a few thousand more for a truck that actually comes equipped, and the early signs suggest that's the right read on the market. Production details and a confirmed on-sale date are still being finalized. What's already locked in is the direction, an electric pickup built for real buyers, priced where they can actually reach it. The 2028 Ford Fathom isn't just another truck announcement. It's Ford's opening move in a new chapter of the American auto market. The 2028 Ford Fathom is shaping up to be one of the most consequential vehicles the Blue Oval has released in decades. A compact electric pickup that pairs a sub-$30,000 price tag with genuine performance, a technology-forward interior, and passenger space that puts mainstream SUVs on notice. It draws its ambition straight from Ford's own history, carrying the same democratizing logic that made the Model T a turning point, and applying it to a segment that has been out of reach for far too long. Whether Ford delivers on every promise remains to be seen, but the target is set, the platform is real, and the Fathom is coming. The affordable electric truck era isn't a concept anymore, it's a 2028 model year. But have no doubt that the Ford Fathom isn't the only pickup with affordable electrification in mind. Others are going in that direction as well, including the Slate truck you can check out in our next video. It's electrified, simple, work-oriented, and affordable, and that approach definitely looks like a proper formula for success.